Top features of Partnerstack. Promote your program to thousands of partners. Choose from thousands of qualified B2B SaaS brands. Build custom onboarding for every partner type. Send emails and new offers to your partners based on their behavior. Create flexible offers, always paid on time. Set monthly invoicing and pay partners automatically and appropriately. Motivate partners with resources and incentives. Upgrade partners to new tiers and offer bonus incentives based on performance. Track every conversion across every partner program. Partnerstack lets you run multiple partner programs side by side. Flexible integrations, connects to every other kind of stack like CRMs, Google Sheets, Slack and payment gateways. Contact, software horsepower to book a demo.